Hello, this is the Tachibana Corporation coming at you with another unboxing video. And today we get our hands on the newly released Google Pixel Watch. They actually had four really cool color combinations, but we went ahead and got the champagne, I believe is what the color was, and hazel was the band color. Well, let's go ahead and get started. Right away you can see that they showcase the watch and it looks really nice, and it says right here with FitBit, which is really nice because I believe Google bought FitBit a year ago or so. All right, Google. In case you weren't sure who made it, there's the G, and then it has Wear OS on it. That's good to know. And then here's all the important information regarding the model itself. I do like it says recycle. All right, there's more information telling you what's included. We got the champagne gold stainless steel hazel active band for small and large wristbands. That's nice. USB-C magnetic charging cable. Nice. Oh, and it tells you what the bands cover lengthwise. That's pretty nice. All right, let's go ahead and get this open. Okay. Let's open these easy open tabs. All righty. Ooh, that looks very nice. Does it? There's no easy way to take that out, so I think I just pull on the watch. There we go. Ooh, got that nice new watch smell to it. All right, so remove this. Oh, that's very nice. I'm not so sure how I feel about the round design on a digital watch, since most notifications are squares or rectangles, but it's very classy. You can see the back panel here. It's got an array of sensors, has some words, hard to read. Heart rate sensor, water resistance 50 meters. It says Google, stainless steel case, and Gorilla Glass. All right. The band itself feels very nice. Definitely, if they're competing with the Apple Watch, I think this is a very good introduction to doing that. All right. This looks like it folds out. Don't really want to rip it. So yeah, you just keep pulling and then the paper will pull itself out. All right. You could see earlier, but now that it's completely unfolded, you can see the charger here with the tasteful G on it. And this will be how it connects. It says it's magnetic, so I expect it to like snap on. Yep, nice and easy. It definitely took cues from the Apple Watch. All right, USB-C, like the outside of the box says. That's nice. And then this would be the other band. I would say this is probably the medium-sized band. All right, that is everything that was in that. All right, this is the initial G card. I actually don't see it. I'm not sure what that's for. But we have a Google booklet showing you how to get started, telling you that's the crown, to unlock your phone, turn on Bluetooth. Press and hold the crown for 3 seconds. Let's go ahead and do that so we can see it turn on. The real big difference is the square versus the circle. We'll leave that up to you guys to decide whether or not the circle is better than the square. But so no matter which platform you use, Apple or Google, you'll have a good quality watch to pair with your phone. And with that, I do believe that is the end of our Google Pixel Watch unboxing. Let us know down in the comments if there's anything else you'd like to unbox, and we will go ahead and catch you guys next time.